your friends will follow you for the first interview where you come.
Yeah.
Still follow you come.
Yes.
I observe them. Your guy with the here, Sammy with the outside, my guy with the here, all of them will follow you come that time. Still follow you come out without that footballer, that defender.
Yes.
I wait there too. They still follow you come. This same unit.
Yes.
See they follow you, they work out today. I know the same go hype your friend, but what is special about that your particular set of friends? Because you don't obviously you don't use that, you don't use your squad they play.
I don't know you just for so many years.
Okay.
For like 15 years if I know they do mistake.
Wow.
Sammy and Emeka, we grew up together in the same street. So we don't get close even from small. You know, my family know their family and everything like that. Sometimes when it's tough, I go their house, go to eat. They come mine, come to eat. We like support each other. So we don't grow up the same, and we all they play football. So God don't answer my prayer, and of course, they prepare their own breakthrough too by the grace of God.
Amen.
So that's why I always keep them close to me. I don't change my circle because I don't need to. Nothing change. The only thing we change my body now the clothes where they wear.
Try.
My attitude is
You don't fight, you don't flesh away. That was too change.
So my attitude is the same towards them, and how we they joke around and everything like that. The way we joke around, I go think whether everybody we do on the same level normally.
Fact.
For me, I believe we do on the same level because anywhere where they go, I always carry them.
Always 2-for-7.
For me, they're important to keep them close to me because they are also very supportive in one way or the other. The rest of they pull up.
This is a message to anybody with the listen. When you blow up, it is very, very important. Say those way they with you when you know be anybody. When you don't blow up, you need to keep your circle. Like it is very, very because I don't see them happen a lot of time.
Football Republic.